Historic Washington State Park preserves and interprets the history of early Arkansas, emphasizing its culture and historic trades from 1824 to 1889. From its establishment in 1824, Washington, Arkansas was an important stop on the rugged Southwest Trail for pioneers traveling to Texas. The town later became a major service center for area planters, merchants, and professionals. The likes of James Bowie, Sam Houston, and Davy Crockett famously congregated in Washington. It was from Washington that a local blacksmith named James Black forged the world's most legendary knife, the Bowie Knife, in 1831. The Bowie Knife is now recognized as the National American Blade and the official knife of the state of Arkansas. The Arkansas General Assembly and Governor Asa Hutchinson designated historic Washington as the birthplace of the Bowie Knife, Arkansas Heritage Site, and entrusted the University of Arkansas Hope-Texarkana to maintain a school of bladesmithing and historic trades there. By doing so, UAHT is building on the history of the world's first recognized school of bladesmithing, founded there in 1988. Bladesmithing is where metalworking and art are fused together with heat and tools. A bladesmith uses various metalworking techniques similar to those used by blacksmiths to create blades by using a forge, hammer, anvil, and other smithing tools. The University of Arkansas Hope-Texarkana James Black School of Bladesmithing and Historic Trades celebrates, preserves, and promotes the art of bladesmithing and historic trades, and the birth of the iconic Bowie Knife in historic Washington. Students at the school will study the art and science of bladesmithing, forging, handles and guards, Damascus Steel, and more. The James Black School of Bladesmithing and Historic Trades is unique in the University of Arkansas system and reflects the same quality and commitment to excellence in student learning that is the centerpiece of the missions of both the University of Arkansas Hope-Texarkana and the University of Arkansas system. Become a part of a campus where history, art, and skill are celebrated and preserved.